Well, good morning and welcome to day 2 of the Long Island Paddle. Yesterday was a little rough. I left from Montauk and the first thing I hit was a big, 10-foot breaker and went right under the water, came up the other side, but my hat was gone and all of my electronics and supplies on the deck had been rearranged. And since the sea was so rough, I couldn't even stop and put everything back, so I just threw it all up on the deck and kept paddling. It wasn't but maybe a half an hour later that this dorsal fin pops up right next to me. I didn't know what it was and I didn't care. I just needed to get out of there. So I kept paddling for the next 3 hours, battling maybe 16, 20-foot seas. I don't know. All I know is I was looking at walls of water, like mountains. And after about 3 hours, I started to get seasick and I started looking at the beach and saying, I got to take a rest. So I paddled into the beach and got pummeled in the surf. The boat and I had separated. I rolled up on the beach, spent a little bit too much time underwater, finally got myself situated, collected my gear, and literally was walking half a mile down the beach to collect stuff yesterday. Laid down on the beach and just fell asleep and called my shore support. They came and got me, and we made the command decision to go directly north, hop into the bays, and finish the trip there. So I finished day 1, maybe about half in the ocean and half in Peconic Bays, came through Shinnecock Canal, and now I'm ready to finish the day from Shinnecock Inlet all the way to Smiths Point Park. Looks like it's going to be a really good day, kind of humid, but I will not be in the ocean, except for, right now I'm in the ocean. So thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you tomorrow.